Welcome back to Houston Life. It is time to impress your mom with your crafting skills this Mother's Day.
All right, show her how much you care by adding a personal touch to your gifts. Craftworks' Alexis Geisler is helping us out with 3 quick and easy ideas perfect for Mother's Day. First of all, Alexis, before we get started, happy early Mother's Day to you.
Thank you so much.
And a big shout out to your mom, Tina, who's here with us today.
Tina,
we're waving.
Shout out, Mom. There she is. And she was watching the new Braunfels show yesterday. She's like, hey, Lauren, I need that wine list. I need that wine list.
Mama
Thank
Tina.
you.
I sure do. All right,
Perfect.
so with the crafts for Mother's Day, sometimes we can get sidetracked and they don't come off as great as we want them to be, but these are simple and kind of kid-proof, which you're going to show with us.
Yeah, they're all things that are fast and easy, and you can obtain all the materials really easily. So if you are still trying to pull those together, or you just want to add something personalized, you can do that pretty easily.
I don't see any macaroni noodles, so I'm already very impressed with the setup. And this is something you do at Craftworks, right? This is like something you could teach people when they go to your classes.
Absolutely, yes. You can definitely do that.
And if I can do it, anyone can do it. Look at these kids. These kids are locked in, Alexis. You have them doing all kinds of stuff.
Yes, it's really fun. So one of the things that moms love to get as gifts is personalized gifts. So everything we're doing today includes some photos so that you can really make it custom to you. So the first thing we're doing are these photo coasters, and they're really easy to do. You pick up 4x4 tiles at any hardware store. They're like 30 cents a piece. So this is a super inexpensive craft also. And then you're going to print some photos. So we've got a picture of my family there.
Look, this is a finished product on screen, right, Alexis?
You can put out different backgrounds. You can pick something that's meaningful to her. And then you're going to start by, and you cut them down to the size, and then you'll start by putting a thin layer of this Mod Podge on the tile. So this is going to act as an adhesive.
Mod Podge.
Yes, and you can buy that at any craft store. It is a glue.
Okay, thank you for
But it also is a sealant. So you put that on, and so this is like a fun one. Our kids do ice cream with their cousins every year.
Okay.
Something meaningful, and we put a cute background on it.
Very cute.
So you would let that dry.
Let it dry.
And then once it dries, you're actually going to use the Mod Podge again.
Because that kind of acts as like a coating too,
It does. So you're going to go ahead and paint over the photo.
Thinking it goes on the back now. You go again. Lauren,
this is going to make it glossy.
It is. So it can be used as a sealant as well. And this one is actually dishwasher safe, and it's waterproof. So that if your glass sweats on top of it, it's not going to ruin it.
Make a big ring on top of the photo. I gotcha.
And as you're doing it, you just want to make sure people are paying special attention to the corners.
So they don't pop up.
So they don't pop up, exactly.
Corners get extra love. Thank you, Lauren.
Amazing.
It's really fun and relaxing.
It is. It's really easy.
And they're beautiful.
And then once you have that done and it's dried, they are unfinished on the back, the tiles. So you just want to have something on it that is going to protect them. So you can kind of cover that with hot glue. You can also use the cork. You can also use those things that you put on the bottoms of furniture. Here we've just used some scrap felt that we've cut to size. Perfect.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yes. And then you can go ahead and you can just kind of press it down. And if you are making this with kids, you just want to be careful to help them with this step so nobody burns themselves. And if you do, you just stick your hand in ice.
Ta-da! I'm a crafter, just like that.
That's amazing.
Okay,
that was so easy.
It's super easy, and then you can just bundle them up with a little string, and you have a really sweet gift.
Derek will be so proud of you.
We're gonna give these to Derek. my mother on this show.
Take them to your mom.
Okay. What do we got next?
Yes, the next one we have is really fun. It's kind of humorous. It's a keychain with little photo
Lauren,
heads
tag you're in.
Oh,
this looks detailed.
They're really not, actually. What we did was we sized down photos of people, and we printed them on our little mini photo printer. But you could actually, if you don't have a photo printer, you could just do this on a computer.
Cute.
And then you cut out all of the little heads. They're kind of like people confetti, if you will. They're really cute. And then you can go ahead and you just start adding them into this keychain bevel.
Cute. It's like a
okay, we're looking at the finished product right now. I love the personalized.
How many heads do I put?
As many as you want.
Stuff all those little heads in there, and then the rest you use for confetti and you sprinkle it.
Yeah, and you can get these bevels at any craft store. So then you go ahead and close it up once you've got everybody where you want them to be. We put some dog pictures in here. My mom's dog is in here.
Cup in the front.
Yes.
There we go.
And then you will go ahead and you'll just add the keychain component to it.
And that closes it up.
Yep. And then we even added like a little tassel on the end so that you can make it a little special.
You know what I love about this is my mom has a full key ring of keys and she can never find them in her purse, but this gives her something to look for in her purse so that they're not just somewhere in the bottom of her Mary Poppins
And
bag.
this keychain's perfect because you can actually clip it to the side of your purse so then your keys are never dumped in your pit.
Awesome.
It's so cute.
The pit of stuff.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, the feet print card. Let me see. Where are we going with this one?
Yeah.
So this is a really sweet one, especially when your kids are little. So I'm going to give a little shout out to Graham and Owen, who are my business partners, boys that are featured on here.
So cute.
You want to do this when they're little. My kids' feet now are bigger than mine. So
I was about to say, yeah, we're pushing it.
Yeah, teenage ones aren't so cute. But all we did was we painted their feet, we pressed them down on the paper. This is just a piece of cardstock. So again, it's something you might even already have in your house.
Yes.
And then we wrote a little message, and then we used the photo paper to print it out. And this is actually sticky photo paper, so you can just take that off, and you're going to place it one on each foot. And this is all about I love you from my head to my toes.
This is this foot.
That is Owen's foot. And then the other one is Graham's foot. And if you don't have sticker paper, that's totally fine. Again, you can just use some copy paper and print it out and put some glue on the back.
We got a question, all the moms watching. How do you avoid the mess from your kids running around after the feet paint?
I would just do it outside or do it right before bath time and then just literally put them right in the bathtub and then there you go.
It's so cute.
They could even step on it in the way to the tub.
There is not a grandma or a mother that would not love this personalized.
You can put your macaroni beads on the inside.
That's right.
Okay.
That's right.
Right.
That is so sweet.
Yes.
This is great, Alexis. Thank you so much. I love all of these ideas. It takes like very minimal materials, most of which you probably already have in your house.
They're really easy, and we have all the instructions on the Houston Life website. So literally anyone can do this. It's really simple.
Perfect. Alexis said it right there. All of the information, we posted the steps on HoustonLife.tv. You can get started right now and show mom some affection on Mother's Day. She's going to love these personalized gifts.
I love it. I love the keychain idea too.
It's so fun. It's funny.
So
we like
fun.
it. Yeah.